Good morning, children. I hope you all are doing well. So, children, these days you are doing ascending order. And ascending order means arrange the numbers from smallest to the biggest. Today, we are going to discuss on descending order. Descending order means arrange the numbers from biggest to the smallest. Descending order is just opposite of ascending order. Like in ascending order, you write the numbers from smallest to the biggest, but in descending order, you will write the numbers from biggest to the smallest. And descending order is also known as decreasing order. So let's learn with an example. Here is a group of children with different heights, means they are standing according to their heights. But if you start, if you start observing from the right side, the boy at first position is the tallest among all, right? The boy at first position is the tallest among all. If you look at the second boy, he is having short height than the first boy, right? He is having short height than the first boy. That's why he is standing behind him. So children, these all the children are standing from tallest to the shortest. Tallest to the shortest means they are standing in decreasing order of height, and decreasing order is known as descending order. Here is a definition of descending order. Descending order is the order when we arrange the numbers from greatest to the smallest. So in descending order, we'll start from the biggest number, finding the next smaller till we get the smallest number. Just see, here is an example that numbers are written from largest to the smallest. From largest to the smallest means, so now notice that the bigger number comes at first position and the smallest number comes at end. Right, children? So in descending order, we'll start with the biggest number and then next smaller till we get the smallest number. Notice one more thing, that in descending order, each number is greater than the next number. Like 4 is greater than 3. After 3 is greater than 2. 2 is greater than 1. So in descending order, it is the opposite of ascending order. Means each number is greater than the next number. Right, children? So we'll clear this concept with one more example. So in this picture, 4 numbers are given. Yes. 4 numbers are given and 3, 5, 7 and 4. So as we are doing decreasing order, so these numbers are arranged in decreasing order. But how these numbers have been written in decreasing order? So we have to learn this. So children, among all these 4 numbers, we have to Find out the biggest number, because in decreasing order we'll start with the biggest number. So 7 is the biggest number. So 7 is written here. 7 is written in the first box. After that, which number is written? 5. Yes, because 5 is the next. 5 is the next smaller. Then 4, and 4 is the next smaller. And then 3. And 3 is the smallest number among all these numbers. So in decreasing order, each number is greater than the next number. Like 7 is greater than 5 and 5 is greater than 4. So children, I hope you all have understood this concept, decreasing order. So
now children, you have to do this work in your notebook. Write neat and clean. Right? Write down the heading, descending order, and after that write in descending order, and after that largest to smallest. Means you have to write the largest number at first and the smallest one at the last. Right? Thank you.